Hi students, welcome to Spring 2021. I'm here to deliver the module Professional Ethics in Construction Industry. In this video, I'm going to explain you about major concepts of module information guide. So which will give you basic idea of the module and what are we going to cover in this module. You can see this is an introduction through the MIG and you are requested to go through the major topics of the module information guide such as weekly delivery plan, assessment types, weightages, issue and submission details, student effort hours, pre-class, in-class and post-class activities, textbooks and reading materials. After this, these are the module learning outcomes. By this time you might have understood what are module learning outcomes. Module learning outcomes are, after the successful completion of the module, what are you going to attain from this, like what knowledge you are going to gain from this module are mentioned here in the module learning outcomes. So we are having 5 module learning outcomes. So these are student effort hours. This module consists of 15 credits. That means you need to spend at least 150 hours for the successful completion of the module. So we have 3 hours of classes every week, so which is 45 hours, and coursework assignment 1 and coursework assignment 2 80 hours, and preparation of online activities which requires 25 hours. And please note that we are going to have some pre-class activities which are going to have some 10 marks for each activity. So make sure you complete all activities within the time. So we are going to have 3 hours of theory, and you might be aware of pre-class activities, in-class activities and post-class activities. Pre-class activities are activities before the class you need to complete before you attend the online class to know what is going to be discussed in today's class. In class activities, like what we are doing, like attempting some MOOC course or answering to the questions, or if we have any questions, any discussions, all this comes under in class activities. Post class activities means the faculty will get a chance to assess students understanding during the class. There will be small activity, so which is known as post class activity. Coming to weekly delivery plan, I'll show it on the MIG. The weekly delivery plan, you can see this is let me turn the screen. Okay, now you can see the weekly delivery plan. From page number 6 you can see this is weekly delivery plan, which will give you the details of what are we going to do, what is happening here. Everything up to the week is mentioned here in the weekly delivery plan. So this is a weekly delivery plan. Let us go back to this. So then the major important part which you need to know is the submission of assignment 1 is on 18th April. The submission of assignment 2 is on 16th June. So make sure that you fix these dates, note down these dates and complete your assignments within that time. So these are the standard textbooks. So we can get these 2 textbooks, and from these textbooks we are going to discuss about, and I will try to share the soft copies of the textbooks with you. Thanks for watching this video. Now we are going to the next slides. So there is a very small questions which is asked in the next slides. Please answer them. There is another section. In this section you are going to discuss about academic policies. So the supplementary examination, everything is academic policies. So we are going to watch it in the next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening to the video.